A lot of the best surgeons in the world started by practicing their basic surgical skills on banana peels because their thickness and texture is quite similar to skin. So use a number 10 scalpel blade to make a long incision, then separate the peel from the pulp using some cat paw retractors and forceps. Hold the incision open with mastoid retractors while you snack on the pulp. It's rich in potassium, magnesium, and sugars, which will improve your cognitive function while performing these surgical skills. I like to use the periosteal elevator for this because it looks like a little spoon, but you can also find medieval surgical spatulas from antique shops that have a wider tip to make the job much faster. Once you've removed most of the pulp, gently remove the mastoid retractor and you're ready to start suturing. I decided to use the Ford interlocking pattern because it's the best for bringing together edges of thick skin. Anchor the end of the suture material in place with a surgeon's knot, then take bites on each side of the incision and pass the needle through the loop created. Repeat this all the way down the incision. When you reach the end, take a bite in the opposite direction and use the loop to tie a surgeon's knot. Then reinforce it with some square knots and you've saved your first banana.